Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I spent 24 hours diving into 5 of the most viral but less known AI tools out there. Tools that are so smart, they can animate your imagination, clone your voice, make videos from thin air, edit content like magic, and even dub your content into any language using your voice. No code, no editing timeline, no fancy mic. Just me, my laptop, and curiosity that turned into obsession. So grab your tea because I'm about to show you 5 AI tools that change how I create content forever. Before start, subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. The first thing I wanted to try was something magical, and that's how I find Runway ML. This tool lets you literally type a sentence and it turns that sentence into a video. Yes, an actual video with moments, style, lighting and animation, all generated with AI. I typed a glowing woman walking barefoot through the stars, holding a lantern made of light. And 30 seconds later, a mystical looking woman started playing on my screen. A woman was floating through space, stardust behind her, and this gentle music playing. It felt like a scene out of the fantasy movie. So then I typed futuristic India where tradition meets sci-fi. And I swear, the visual looked like an Indian version of Blade Runner, glowing temples, neon saris, flying waters. So why it's amazing? You can literally create music videos, shorts, intros, even Instagram reels without even holding a camera. Perfect for creators, streamers, and those who want visual storytelling without filming. So my advice for you, start simple, type a sentence from your imagination and then watch it come to life. Okay, now this one shocked me. I uploaded a 50-second video of
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about how to get glowing skin naturally.
Then I clicked a button and in under 2 minutes, Rask.ai gave me a version of me. Same voice, same lips, speaking in Korean, and then in Spanish, and then in French, then Hindi, even Japanese. And it still sounded like me, not a robot, not dub, just me in multiple universes. Can you imagine what this means? One video, 7 languages, 7 different audiences, and global growth. So why it's amazing? No need to record videos in other languages. It saves you time, effort, and editing. Your voice sounds natural in all languages, not robotic. Use this if you want to turn your single language content into a global channel. Even with 50 subscribers, this tool makes you sound like a brand. Okay, now let's talk about one of the most creative tools I tried. And yes, this one works perfectly on your phone. It's called Image AI. And imagine this. You just type what you want to see and boom. It creates actual images for you. No random stuff. I mean YouTube thumbnails, motivational posts, face glow transformation, fantasy artwork and more. I tested it by typing a girl standing under the aurora sky with glowing skin and sparkles, and it created this beautiful image in like 15 seconds. No editing, no designing, just pure AI art. And here's the cool part. You can download high quality results, use it for shorts, covers, Pinterest posts, stories, even create full visual reels using just AI images. Why I loved it? Easy to use on any phone or tablet, perfect for non-designer, great for daily content if you are running a YouTube, TikTok or Insta page. This app literally turns your phone into an AI art studio. You don't need Photoshop, you don't need Canva, you just need an idea, and image art makes it real. If you love visual creativity, this is the tool you are going to be obsessed with. Now it's time for the 4th AI tool, named Leonardo AI. This one felt like I hired a luxury graphic designer for free. Leonardo AI lets you type a concept and it gives you 4 incredible image options that looks like artwork, photography or product designs. So I typed minimalistic skincare product mock-up with pastel background. Boom! I got 4 photos, each of them looking like they belonged in an ad for Sephora. I literally wanted to start a skincare brand right there. Then I typed goddess floating in moonlight over a glowing river, and the image absolutely stunning. Now imagine this. Use Leonardo to create your thumbnail or turn these images into digital products, or even use them in blog covers, posters, and brand kits. So why it's stunning? The art style is customizable. Cartoon, cinematic, modern, vintage, 3D. Free for basic use, you can upscale images and use them commercial. So use it if you need visual but don't want to buy stock images or hire a designer. So time for the last one, and it's Kaiber. At this point, I was tired and sipping tea at 1 am. But then I discovered Kaiber. Kaiber lets you upload any image and turn it into a cinematic animated video. I uploaded a peaceful forest picture. It added movement to the trees, mist rolling in the background, and the music matched the mood perfectly. Then I tried a photo of a skincare flat lay. It added glowing sparkles and camera movement like a luxury app. So why it's genius? Turns still photos into shots or reels. Looks aesthetic AF with zero effort. Perfect for faceless content, aesthetic edits, calm backgrounds, or product videos. Add your voiceover or quotes over Kaiber clips. Perfect for shorts, TikTok, and even guide affirmation. After 24 hours, 5 tools, and way too much screen time. Here's my biggest realization. AI isn't replacing filters, it's replacing excuses. You don't need a camera, a mic, editing skills, a perfect voice, or hours and hours of time. You need ideas, you need curiosity, and you need to just start. Because these tools, they handle the rest. I went from script to video to thumbnail to voiceover, all without leaving my laptop or even showing my face. This isn't the future, this is now. Thanks for watching. Like the video if it helps, subscribe if you want more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.